Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're playing DrainSim. Once more, today we're gonna do the... Oh, that's the wrong map. Today we're gonna do the construction site. So, about the construction site, I don't want to do it, but I'm gonna do it anyway. It's not as fun, it's a little bit annoying. But why not? Okay, so they recommend... shovel, buckets, barriers, pumps, vacuum, and squeeze. Ah, we got all that. We got all that with us. So let's jump right in. All right. Okay, that bucket did not want to be here. It's gone. It's leaving. It did not want to be part of this video, guys. All right. Well, I'll have to do it with a bucket less, I guess. It's gone. I know you're not needed. Buckets, buckets, buckets. Shovel. This thing. And this. There we go. Now, what do we do? This one's draining into that. I can't stop that. I might be... Is there a drain? Ooh, there is no drain over there. What I can do is block this off and make it go that way. That way it goes right into here where there is a drain. Because right there is a drain. If I can guide the water into that part here. And that should not do anything. Is it going in there? I can't really tell. I gotta maybe dig a little bit more. So it doesn't stream over it like this. Then I have an actual barrier. Yeah, a little bit more, a little bit more. Another thing about this mission, guys, you have to really... It's a really buildable one. I mean, it was made when this for this level, like literally. Now we have to do this. I mean, I'm gonna do that. I'll be right back when I'm finished with that, because that's gonna take a little bit of digging. Is that working? I don't know, let's dig a little bit more. Let's finish it up, and I forgot I was gonna skip this part. I'm probably not gonna cut it out. I'm gonna live with the mistake that I didn't cut it out. I'm gonna build it up a little bit more, just to be sure that the water flows directly into that. I gotta worry about a lot of things on this map. That's this one finished. Now most of that water is going over there. If I can just guide this water down that way as well. That way this part can drain. Yeah, sure, that looks about right, I think. Yeah, sure. But guys, if you haven't already, I don't know why you're watching this part first. I suggest you watch the rest of the video, just on the game, if you're interested, I guess. I mean, I really don't understand why you'd been watching. Oh. No, 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 no. We're gonna be smart. We're gonna be smart. We're gonna dig it like this. Get rid of that. And then guide it into this part as well. Yeah, like this. That way it all floats down there. That I can easily stop. Into with that little drain. Now I'm not gonna be able to reach that thing, I believe. Let's grab a little bit more dirt. Where else is the water coming in from? I stopped that side. Ah, but there's also water coming in over here. Okay, 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 okay. There should be a drain I can reach in here. Is there? Oh guys, I don't like this. I don't like it. I know there's nothing scary in the game, but I don't like that. I don't want to go in there. Okay, okay, well I'll dig this out. I just saw this, so so where do we... Ah! We lead this all into here. Okay, let's start with the obvious one. That needs to be guided into here. There we go. We'll even dig this out a little bit. So we have easier so the water has easier access to flood into this. Plus then we can get more dirt as well for like later stuff. There we go. That's that. One problem solved. Now to fix this part of the problem. We could take the hard way. But I don't think that's a smart idea, right? Because look, it goes all the way over. It just goes this way. So it will automatically follow it, right? I mean, it should at least. I don't know. We'll see how this works out. So that is this side completely stopped. All that water is flowing into this drain, which is good. Test that drain. Now there is also water coming in over here and over there. I can see it streaming down, and also probably over there. This is probably one of the worst construction jobs I've ever seen. Who built this? I mean, well, I guess no. Ah, okay, here's the drain. Okay, that'll start helping clean this part out. Okay, there's two though. Oh, there's two of these guys over here. I don't think I'm digging because I have a thing in my hand. So what do we do? That's kind of the problem, isn't it? On one hand, we don't want the water from here that's flowing in over here to get into this part. Then again, we can just keep it from... We can maybe build it just up here. Maybe this will work? I don't know, guys. You're gonna have to let me know in the comments if there's a better strategy for this. Maybe that stuff's flowing into there. But I mean, there's so much water in here that it seems a little bit... I feel like it would harm me more to stop it from going in there. Right? Is that just me? I mean, look how many drains there are over here. Like, this won't hurt it, I think. I don't know. I'm just making up stuff as I go. That's kind of my thing. I don't know what I'm doing. If I did, then I wouldn't be here. Okay, so there is a little bit streaming down. There we go, that's that. Fixed. There we go. That'll lead directly into this little part. Let's finish that up. That should be fine. Maybe. I don't know. So there's also water draining in over there. Am I have to really gonna direct all of that into here? Into this one that I'm standing on? I mean, that's fine by me, but... Okay, so that's gonna do that. That's a little bit too far away. And I need to up this part as well. Wait, a lot. Okay, okay, that should be fine. So, what's next? We should have more drains. You should have more drains that needs to be emptied or cleaned out, I guess. That's one. That should start to drain this part. It says there's another one over here. Oh, there is one indeed over here. They could have done that as well here, you know. I'm sure they could uncover their own pits. I feel like with this one, you could just close this off, right? Like, I don't know, nothing special, but just like a little wall here. Oh, and over here, I guess. Well, okay, there we go. As much as I love the night and day cycle, it's not very handy. Because I can't see anything and you guys can't see anything. So, yeah, it's not very helpful. I'll turn it back on in a bit. I'm going around in the other areas first, because I don't want to deal with the pits yet. Like here, where is the water from here going? Well, I mean, besides over there. Is there any drains over there? Over here? There is one over there, but that is not helping this one. Okay, I did not realize there was a pit there. Okay, there is also one over here. Okay, so now it's time to just dump the buckets in a place I can easily find them. Ditch the shovel as well. And I'm gonna go grab my... Oh, whatchamacallit? My pumps. Oh. Asphalt roller B. So what are we gonna drain out next? We can drain that out. I need to go to the car. Where is the car? There. I lost my car. Oh no, it's over there. Okay, let's go to the car. Grab my other MK3 pump. Jump in this pit for fun. I regret it instantly. I'm horrified. Please get me out. Please get me out. I don't like it. I hate that part type, guys. If I can't see where I'm going, I don't want to be in it. Do you all experience that sometimes? I feel like that's a very common thing. Well, are we gonna drain this part out is the question. I am gonna swim in it, as much as I hate it. Just, I know there's no monsters in this one. But it's still so scary, bro. Look at it. Oh, this is... Oh, I don't like it. I don't like it. Get up. Get up. Again, I just... God, I hate this. And it's not just this I hate. The whole idea. I don't have anywhere to put my generator. Can I put them on this? I could put it on this. I'm sure that's fine. We only need to be like 6 feet underwater. Oh, this is making it worse. I should have turned on the generator. Oh, but I need to place my second pump. And I think that's... Well, I could set up my other one as well, my other pumps as well. So like this tiny one. I lost the pump. It was one of my favorites. You'll always be able to see his nose. It'll always haunt me. But it's not coming back. It died in battle. Yep. Okay, so this part is basically cleared out. Oh, this is the asphalt roller. Where the hell is B? I have no idea. It's gonna fill this up a little bit, but we got to... I mean, we got 2 pumps working on it, so... Yeah, I'm gonna sit right here for you. No, wait, maybe over there. I might be able to get a better screen shot. Alright guys, that was a short time lapse. I'm gonna see if I can... Oh, I dropped my shovel! Let's go grab the pump. Let's go put the pump somewhere else. There is no... They're all connected into one. But I don't think I'm gonna be able to reach this pump yet. This grate, this hole, this thing. We are making progress though. We're gonna let that do its thing, and then we're gonna... we need to empty that one out. And this one. Now, I don't know about this one. There might be a pump right here. Only problem is, where am I gonna send the water? I can try to get it over there. Unless this isn't deep at all. It's pretty deep. It's pretty deep. And I do not want to figure out what it is. Get up. I'm just gonna make it flow right into here. I think that might be the best strategy, right? Dump one water into the other so we can then later do the opposite again. Yeah, we just need to make sure that the water goes over there and not back. Now how about here? How far are we? Yes, okay, this has gotta be swim like my life depended on it moment. Still can't stand here. Seriously. Ah. Gotta wait just a little bit more, guys. I'll let y'all watch another little short time lapse. I'll do this one right here. Alright, I'm back. Is it drained now? Can I walk here? I hope so. I can. There we go. Now this is gonna start draining rapidly. Okay, okay. Well, so let's see how the other one is doing. Because I was draining... Was I not draining the water into here? Well... Has it... Has this drained even one bit? I don't think it has. Get me out of there. Well, so I can climb up that one. I need to go grab my generator from this one. Cause this one ain't doing anything. Yeah, this is a long level, guys. I mean, a really long level. I don't even know I'm gonna... Huh? Words. Oh boy. Obviously you don't go in. It's fine. Then we'll put another... We'll put the third one next to these two. It'll help drain this. And I'll see y'all when it's basically drained. Alright guys, I'm back. I'm gonna... just to check up on this one. Yes. Okay, so this one's draining too now. It also means the pump here. Not the pump. Oh, that never got drained away. Oh no. And the loader, where is the loader? The loader is over there, but that has a... Fine, then I'll send it into the... Oh, could literally just drain it into this thing. There we go. Should finish up the loader any minute. There. Now what else? West excavation pit. The pits are fine. I understand the pits. The crane, yeah, I understand that too. I didn't really decide to focus on it. Okay, see, now we're talking. Now we are talking. Can't really see what I'm hitting, but I'm hitting. Okay, wow. We cleared this. There's still a lot of water in here though, so... But these aren't working anymore. At least not at full efficiency. Well, they don't need to anymore. We got these guys. Okay, so that means we can start working on the next. Just gonna send water back into this one, I know. Sounds counterintuitive, right? But trust me, trust me, trust me, trust me. Okay, that should start reflooding this area. I know, that's not smart. But we still have a lot of areas to go. But I'm gonna just put up a quick little time lapse of me standing right here. Alright guys, I'm back. It drained a little bit. There's still a long way to go though. This drain is pretty much on the floor. And I can guess that the water that's coming in from here is not... Well, it's still going down the drain, so it's fine. What happened to my fourth pump, by the way? Oh, I could do this. Oh, well, now I figure out I can use a scroll wheel to go through items as well. I've been pressing my buttons, my button keys. Wasn't there one here? It says this one's not that deep. This one is 50 feet underwater as well. How is this not deep? Oh, it is draining. I guess it's just a very slow pump. Or there's just a lot of water in that one, I don't know. This one is still fine. The water is still going into the pump, right? Yeah, okay, there we go, there we go, there we go. That should be better. That should fix it instantly. Is there a visible change? I don't think it's going very fast. I mean, it is draining. as you guys can see. It's not draining very fast. So we're gonna get in the prime position for the time lapse. Right over here. You'll get to watch this. Alright guys, can we stand? Almost, we can almost start digging. Come on, just a little bit more. Drain faster. Okay, crane B needs to be done as well. Okay, so you definitely are draining a little bit. You're just taking so long. How deep does this go? I don't want to know actually. Oh, I don't like it. Who built science pits and don't add drains that you can unclog from the top? Like, come on. That's no smart design. Dang it. There we go. That's what I wanted to see. Okay, now it's time to get out because I can't. Now we can do a proper time lapse. Well, kind of pointless of doing a time lapse now, ain't it? Almost no water left. And now this one should be draining fast as well. There is also another thing over here though, and I want to see how close we are to it. Not close at all. But this should be draining now, which means I can get the pumps working on that little one on the west excavation pit and get that drained out. This should start to drain very fast now. Yeah, you can see it literally disappear. This one is also draining fast. It's just not as fast as it used to be anymore, which is fine. Oh, is that just because of the water that's flowing in? Oh, maybe actually. That does make sense. We still have so long to go though. So far to go before this is drained. How's this little guy doing? You're not almost drained. Now this will fill this with water again. It'll create a stream. It'll create a stream that it doesn't matter. Okay, never mind, I lied. It will matter. Okay, so this one won't be finished for a while then. I'll just say that now. Come on, you can climb up there. Put your hands into it, bro. Let's just climb up here. As much as I want to keep y'all here, I just don't see the benefit. I mean, we need to clear that out anyway, but like, we have this crane over here that needs to be emptied as well. And then we have that to be emptied. Still so much that needs to be emptied. Look how much water there is in here. I'm not sure that one of these pumps will do enough. Can we reach the hole here yet? I don't think we can. No, it's still too deep, isn't it? Yeah. It's like a last ditch effort. Okay, now let's go back to crane to... I really probably should have turned the generator on, because now I have to jump in once more. Alright, I'm making so many mistakes, and it's because it's taking so long. I've been recording for like 2 hours. 2 hours of recording into this one mission. That's crazy. We're still not even done. Luckily, we're close to being finished. I'm not saying it's taking ages. Okay, this bit is almost done. Which is great. Could probably help suck up some of the water. And there was nothing in there. Why did you float back down? Oh no, we're so close to being able to do. One more pump on this side will surely be able to do it. Probably also should be digging this part out a little bit, so that the water from here flows over. Move. That works perfectly. You're also useless over here. So how deep is this pit still? Not standing level yet. Oh, it is actually. Finally. Not even gonna do a time lapse for that, because that's not gonna be needed. We are done. Once this is filled. There we go. There we go. We finished it. Once it's done. In a second. We finished it. Yeah. We also did a lot of digging work they could have probably done. But that's besides the point. Yeah, we did it. At least this one paid greatly. Whew. No use in keep playing, bruh. I ain't doing that.
And that's it for now. If recent history has taught us anything, it's that our plunger-equipped hero is not done yet. We'll be here when the next disaster conveniently resolves itself. More updates soon.
Alright, guys. Well, that's it. The end of the game for now. From what I can tell, at least. Let's buy one more pump. We could probably come back to missions. But that's not for today. Thanks for being here with me, guys. Yeah. I'll see you next episode. Of another game, that is. Bye.